Hello, we're Albert Welding, and we're here to bring you the best possible welding solutions in the world. My name is Sergey, and today we're speaking about the future of metal welding and cutting. Today, to cut and weld metal, you would need 3 different bulk and heavy machines, which is totally inconvenient and definitely expensive. But we have a solution. This is Albert Welding 3-in-1, portable, lightweight, just 4.6 kilograms, and you can wear it on your shoulder like a suitcase. You can practically use it in any field, from your private house to a shipyard. It's suitable for both professional and household use. The global market of welding equipment is over 25 billion, and we're going to grab the lump of it. Our team is packed with professionals, and we use a very simple business model. We use existing distributors and shops. Please vote for us on the SHIP Festival, and we will bring to your life the easiest welding solutions in the world.